Hello and welcome to another Dr. Pi tutorial.
So what's this all about then?
Today we're going to do a little bit of housekeeping on the Pi Zero. If you remember a previous project of mine, I had a push button which ran the shutdown with hold Python script. I'm going to stop that script from running on startup as the button is no longer connected. As you can see from the screenshot, I configured this in the etc/rc.local file. Because the Pi has already booted up and run that script, the script is currently running. The reason I know that is because I ran the following command, ps-ax pipe grep py, and there you can see the output. After rebooting the Pi, you can see I've run the command again and the script has not run, which is good. df with the -h option will allow you to see human readable version of the disk-free command. Here we can see we've got 11 gigabytes available on the dev root partition. This will show the current processors which are using the most CPU on your Raspberry Pi. I've got one here actually, W1 Busmaster 1, which comes from my one-wire thermosensor. I'll need to investigate that.
Thanks Dr. Pi, this has been a great tutorial. Please everybody, subscribe!